Problem number 6 is also a factoring by grouping. The first step is to go ahead and factor out the greatest common factor between these three terms, and that happens to be x squared. Going inside the parentheses then will be x to the fourth, because x to the fourth times x squared is x to the sixth. This becomes negative 16 x squared, and this becomes just 64. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this middle term right here and split it in two. So we're going to go x squared again, just bringing this straight down. This becomes x to the fourth minus 8x squared minus 8x squared. Negative 8x squared minus 8x squared is negative 16x squared plus 64. Okay, we're now going to split these into two groups. So we're going to turn this parentheses into a bracket. And inside this group we've got x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus negative 8x squared plus 64. And we're going to turn this parentheses into a bracket, because now we've got parentheses, we got another level of parentheses going on. Okay? Do what we did over here. What is the greatest common factor between x to the fourth and negative 8x squared? The answer to that is x squared. So we put this x squared, we're just bringing that down each time. There's our bracket. So we have an x squared, and inside here we have x squared minus 8. Okay? Now we know that this group is also an x squared minus 8. So we ask ourselves, gee, what do I multiply x squared by to get negative 8x squared? Well, the answer to that is negative 8. So, doing the same thing as we did before, if this is a times b plus c times b, we know that that's equal to a plus c times b. So, bring our x squared down. Our a is x squared. Our c is negative 8. And our b is x squared minus 8. And we're done. The only way you could improve this or make this more concise is this is being used as a factor twice. So we could write this as x squared times the quantity x squared minus 8 squared. That's complete factorization on number 6.